Good morning, my perfect YouTube family. It's your girl PPFARW Crochet, and I wanted to show you this project. It's called Birds of a Feather, and it was in the Crochet Today issue. Let me see, what's the date on this issue? I know it's an older issue. Let me see. Displayed until 12/2010. Let me see, special issue. Well, it's out of the special issue collection of Crochet Today magazine. And I have had this issue for a while. But this is what the cover looks like. And at the bottom it says, display until 12/21/2010. Okay, they have this what they call Birds of a Feather project here, and you guys know your girl is crazy about birds. I'm crazy about crochet birds. I'm crazy about porcelain birds, glass birds, crystal birds, you name it. Birds. I love birds. And inside they have the pattern here, which is kind of simple to follow, although you know I don't read patterns all that well. And look at the adorable birdies here. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. The thing I like about this project, it has little diagrams about the wings, the tail, and the comb, and the foot, although I did not use the foot in my project. But I was very excited when I saw this picture and pattern. So, are you guys ready to see my bird? Alright. Here he is. Oh, look at him. Now, I know you guys are saying that's something like the bird in the picture, but it's okay, because you know what? I kind of like walk to the beat of my own drum, and I like to use patterns as a guide, but I like to put my own PPFARW Inga the Crochet Queen twist on it. And so this is what I came up with. This was his comb, and he's been in the bag too, so he's a little crumpled up. And these are his wings. And this is his tail. And instead of making the feet, because to me the feet look a little cartoony, and I wanted my bird to be a little bit more realistic, I didn't make him feet, but I did make him this little wholesome little nest so that he could, you know, like lay his eggs, and he could kind of like chill up in there. Maybe I'll make him a couple of crochet eggs or something like that. But I really like him. He reminds me of, like, you know, those rubber duckies that you buy and take a bath with, you know, for little kids and stuff like that. But his beak, ran it. Maybe my bird needs a beak job. But these beaks were a little pointy. For some reason, I didn't understand the pattern when it came to the beak. Seemed like simple enough to follow, you know, it's just like a little cone shape. But my beak came out a little long. I didn't like it, and so I took and folded it back. So he has a little less of a beak, more so a bill. I think I'm saying it right, bill, like a duck bill. More like a Daffy Duck type thing going on. And I just really love him. I really love him. He's adorable. So that's it. I just wanted to show you guys my little birdie. And I always say, one of my favorite sayings is, one bird in the hand is better than two in the bush. So this is my one bird in the hand. All right, my YouTube family, take care with love. It's your girl PPFARW Crochet, formerly known as Inga the Crochet Queen. Bye-bye.